Beyond every border, behind every boundary, one can always find a journey to self-discovery. Discover your so-called wow in this province called Ifugao. Amidst the glowing golds and the gleaming greens, there lies a time-tested spot where one can make a brand new start. Through the ever-changing seasons, rhythmic motions remain unchanged through generations. When all else wanes and fades, cultural heritage woven with age stays unscathed. In the face of strong influences in modern times, ancient practices remain unfazed, withstanding the test of time. While others go at full speed, unfolding in fast motion, a well-loved tradition takes it slow for that gustatory perfection. What seems to be a jungle from above, deep down beneath the surface, a cool, cascading gem awaits. When the present doesn't seem to understand, the lessons of the past are always at hand. The moment the eyes fail to see what is beauty and bounty, the heart sets its gaze to a mighty, long-lasting testimony. The strides may seem endless, the stretch limitless. But no matter the pace, no matter the distance, every single experience along the journey opens and touches one's heart to self-discovery. Ifugao. Share a moment with the present. Enjoy a blast from the past. Discover an insightful world of contrasts. Find yourself in the Cordilleras.